Hey everybody, Lance from ThetaTraders.com here. This video wants to go over the 0DTE for February 25th. Market was relatively flat for most of the day, and then it started to drop near the open on Tuesday. And on the blue line here, so around 9 o'clock, we decided to go a call credit spread at the 20.25 strike price, and then we sold that. Then we bought the 20.35 strike price. If you can see on the alert here, 902. SPX was at 59.52 there. We sold the 60.25 call, bought the 60.35 call. So quite a bit of cushion there in terms of it probably not getting up to that level. We took $30 in, so it's a 3% return on the trade. We do have 3x stop out at 0.9. If you also look at the 0DTE trades for today, so I always go over in the pre-market what's actually happening. Pre-market, I said try to sell below the bottom if we're staying pretty flat in the pre-market. This was at 7:17 in the morning Central Standard Time. So we're going to try to look at the 59.50 near the recent low, and then also look to at least the 60.60 on the recent high. Someone said another iron condor today and didn't know yet. Market will move. Also get some news events that we go over. We're looking at consumer confidence at the day, and then you saw consumer confidence was quite a bit lower than the forecast. That did help drop the market, and you could see the downward trends pretty much right near the open, and then it just consolidated near that downturn. So trade was pretty uneventful, which is a good thing for us. We stayed pretty flat. It did make a slight up move, but nowhere near the 60.25 strike. And then the rest of the day, just let it expire worthless. Got 3% for the day. So if you're interested, join ThetaTraders.com and you can join the quarterly plan. You'll get these every day with a longer dated spread as well. For the longer dated spread, we did over here in option trades, TXN sold the 185 put, bought the 180 put, took in at least $42 for me. Some people got a little bit more, and that would be about 8% return on your money in about a month. So these are longer dated trades that will be a little bit more passive. The 0DTE are more that daily income trade. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys on the next one.